Hello, my name is Gregory. Here we go. Gregory Hall, this is my project two solution. As part of the project requirements, we're to create a quicksort function. As you will see, I defined the quicksort function with two base cases. First base case is if there's an empty list, then of course the empty list is already sorted. And the second base case is if there is a list with one item, in which case that list is also sorted. And then there's the recursive case where declare a pivot value, and this is, and also the rest is the tail of the list. So I have a let function. I use let to declare the partition function where I split the list into two separate lists in a tuple based on each individual item in the list if it's greater than the pivot value or if it's less than or equal to the pivot value. And so here we go. Also assign the less or equal or greater list and call it with the partition B, and then that's the logic behind it. If and so we go back down to the second part, the let function, where I use another let to declare the values for less or greater, and I call that using the partition and rest. And then we go into quicksort, where it's done recursively and sorts the list. And so I call the list and then the pivot value and then the greater list. Okay, and so now we'll go ahead and get to running the code. Okay, so as part of requirements, the function should have an int list as parameter, and the it should return an int list. And so I used the test case that was provided from the project requirements document, and as you can see, the list is sorted. And I created a second test case where I just created a generic random list, and you can see this list is also sorted. And so there's my project two. Thank you.